Hi, it's Ileana. So I've been working on publishing the book called Remote Viewing Lockheed Martin Levitation Projects and the Reverse Engineering Program of Antigravity Craft. I did a series of remote viewings on Lockheed Martin's specific reverse engineering programs of non-human extraterrestrial crafts that they have been reverse engineering since the 1970s, doing levitation projects since 1950s and onwards, 1970s as well, and creating their own various designs of spacecrafts that are piloted and being used in various operations and missions on Earth, and I suspect off-world as well. So that's the first part of the book, what that focuses on, as well as Northrop Grumman's reverse engineering program, the history of Lockheed's and Northrop Grumman various reverse engineering programs, Plant 42, which both Lockheed and Northrop Grumman have their own facilities on that particular military plant where they've reverse engineered space programs, shape-shifting helicopters, triangular craft, disc craft, cigar-shaped crafts, semi-triangular pyramid-type crafts, also revealing the truth about the Black Operations program, which is one of the most elite programs on Earth that is on the high tier of a reverse engineering program outside of the US government. It's a global operation, so it's not just one country that's running it. It's a conglomerate that's been around since 1947. And this Black Operations Group has shot down non-human origin crafts, collected extraterrestrial bodies for study dissection and cloning and experimentation, reverse engineered the crafts, very exotic technology. They use psionics to do these operations and to help manufacture the crafts. This is global, done on a global scale. There's cloning centers, facilities, there's black site bases underground where these operations are illegally being run, and it's all explained in detail in this book, as well as what the psionics are, their abilities, what they do and what happens to them. They're collected from third world countries, cloning center in Antarctica, information about that and what happens there. That's all in this book, and a timeline history of events of how all of this started and how these programs came to be and what they do. That's all included in this book. It's a very beautiful book, and I have been working on it for a very long time to put it out there because it's something that has basically, I've been working on this for a year and a half to get it out there, and I wanted to share this information as part of broader disclosure for people to know what's happening here on Earth, what's happening in our own backyard, underneath us and above us, because this goes back to the 1940s and beyond that, even to the 1930s, when UFOs were noticed, spotted, and when the first crash happened in Italy. Well, there's been crashes in the 1800s and even before that, but this is more of cases that are documented. UFOs flying over bases, taking out nuclear facilities and nuclear warheads, the history, the timeline of all this stuff, and basically the how, the why, and what's currently happening. This book talks about all of that and the different craft designs, how they work, what they do, how they're built, manufactured. Yeah, it covers all of that for the history and the designs of these programs. And how reverse engineering programs come to be about, what they're all about. How do you create one? How do you work one? Why is there reverse engineering programs? Also study programs of off-world UFOs, more exotic type of UFOs that Lockheed Martin studies that they haven't been able to quite reverse engineer. So all of that is in this book. There's also submarines, maglev trains that go beyond the speed of light. Northrop Grumman and Lockheed have been very busy designing technology that's not just UFOs. They do much more than that. And that's all covered in this book. And all the links are provided for the paperback copy, full color on Amazon, and PDF version, which can be found on my website for purchase if anybody is interested. All the links are in the description for PDF copy and paperback copy. Thank you so much.